This is Mr. Martin. This is a video solution for problem number 13 on page 421. This is from section 9.9. So we want to use the figure to find the tangent of angle ACD. So that's this angle over here. And we know that tangent is going to be the opposite over the hypotenuse. So really we're just looking at this little triangle on the left. So the opposite side is going to be AD, and the adjacent, I'm not sure what I just said, but tangent's opposite over adjacent, which is CD. So we already have side CD, but we need to find AD. So if we look at the whole bigger triangle, we can see that CD is an altitude because of this right angle, and it's the altitude of the hypotenuse. So we know that the 6 is going to be the mean between the two parts of the hypotenuse, so that's AD and 9. So if I cross multiply, I get 9 AD is equal to 36, which means that AD is 4. So then the tangent here just becomes 4 over 6, which reduces to 2/3. So next we're going to look at the sine of angle A. And angle A is actually an angle in two different triangles. It's an angle in triangle ACD, which is the one we just were working with, and it's also an angle in the whole big triangle ACB. And the sine of it is going to be the same in either because those two triangles are similar. So I'm just going to work with the small triangle since I already have two sides of it. I know one side is 4 and the other side is 6, so I can find AC using the Pythagorean theorem. So I've got AC squared is equal to 4 squared plus 6 squared, so that's 16 plus 36. So AC squared is going to be 52. So AC is the square root of 52. So 52, that's going to be 26, and another 2 is 13, so that's going to be 2 root 13. So now I can find the sine of angle A. So A, the opposite side, which is 6, over the hypotenuse, which is 2 root 13. And then we're going to rationalize that, so that multiply by root 13 over root 13. So I get 6 root 13 over, this is 13 here, so 2 times 13, which is 26. And again, we need to reduce the 6 and the 26, divide those both by 2, so I get 3 root 13 over 13. Here is our final answer for part B, and here was our final answer for part A. Make sure that you reduce your answers.